Alright guys, here's how to replace the battery in a 2016 M3 F80. So the battery light is low. You can see it's still working, but I was in the car and there's the warning right there, remote control replace battery, and so pretty obvious icon there. And then the size is the Duracell, or rather 2450 is the size, and I just got the Duracell off Amazon and it's about $3. I'll show you guys how to replace it now. Alright guys, so here's the key to the M3. So if you just hit this button here, this is the valet. So you pop that out and you'll notice here there is a small little tab on this side here, trying to get a good angle with the light, but you just put this in there. It's got a small little flathead and it pops right up. Pretty easy. And then there's the battery. The brand that came in here is a Sony, and you can see 2450. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up.
I want to open this.
Okay, wait.
I can open this.
Sure. And that's my son. He wants to open it. Can we open it together?
I'm strong man.
Yes, you're strong, man. Now can Daddy try? Daddy helps you.
Okay, I just did one.
Oh, now peel it.
Okay.
And so while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and pop this out real quick. I thought it should have just snapped right out. I'll just take this in here and pry it out. There we go. Pretty easy. Just pried it right out. Put that down. That's it. And here is the new one. Actually,
Are shaking Daddy's keys?
yes, it was broken.
I see that. I just pushed the button and not working. I just pushed.
Alright, so got the package open. Not very easy, friendly package, but not too bad. That just pops right in there. Duracell 3-volt. Take this cover. There's this little lip here you see that just goes into the bottom of this. Just like that. And then you'll hear a big snap. There we go. Alright, and you just take the valet key, pop it back in there. Go stop it. There we go. And now we'll go and unlock the car real quick. Oh, it's not going to lock with it open. There we go.
Now it works.
Now it works. Open the car. Unlock the car. Good job.
I can do it.
Yep, and you see right here, no more error, nothing. There we go. That's it. Pretty easy, guys. Took me 3.5 minutes. I'll start it up for you all.